started explaining something only to realize that halfway through, everyone's asleep. Yep, the CEO is checking his watch. Someone's yawning and you're still talking. I'm sorry. That's not nice. If you lead meetings, pitch ideas, or work with executives, this one is for you. Today, we're breaking down a CEO-level communication hack that helps you say less and get heard more. Because in a world of information overload, clarity always wins. By the end of this video, guys, you'll know how to communicate just like a CEO. Concise, clear, and impossible to ignore. Let's jump in. In business world, your ideas only matter if they get heard. And make no mistake, guys, getting heard actually means getting to the point fast. CEOs live in chaos, and we all know that. Meetings, decisions, decks, oh my god. They don't have time for backstory. The average office worker gets 121 emails a day. For executives, double that. So if your message isn't sharp, it will just disappear in the noise. The ability to speak with clarity and brevity isn't just nice to have, it's leadership currency. It shows confidence. It drives action. And guys, it gets remembered. As one executive coach puts it, lead with your recommendation, then back it up. Busy people want results, not a story. So let's just make sure that you're delivering value and not word count. Hack number 1. Know your point before you speak. So before you type an email or even open your mouth in a meeting, ask yourself this first. What is the number one thing that I need them to know or do? Are you asking for a decision, sharing a key result maybe, trying to persuade? If we're not clear on our destination, I'm sorry, but we'll never get there. Planning your point in advance gives your message purpose and cuts the rambling. This is a 10-second mental check that makes everything sharper. Hack number 2. Bottom line up front. Let's talk about the ultimate clarity hack, BLUF. This actually comes from the military world, but executives dig it too. Instead of building up to a point, start with it. Just like this. Project X is 90% done, on time, and needs your approval. In a meeting, lead with a result. Our campaign boosted signups by 30%. Here's how. BLUF shows confidence and it respects time. And the best part is, it gets your audience leaning in from first second. Okay guys, it's time for hack number 3. Cut the BLUF. Here's exactly where most smart people go wrong. They think more words is equivalent to more value, but it's not true. Busy people appreciate brevity. Try to avoid fillers like just, maybe, actually, really. So instead of, I just wanted to quickly check if maybe we could consider, say, can we confirm if we're moving forward? Much better. So clear beats clever. Imprecision builds respect. And here goes hack number 4. In structure, but only what's needed. Getting to the point fast doesn't necessarily mean that you're actually skipping details. It just means sharing the right ones. I'm going to recommend a simple 3-part structure for you. What's happening, what you propose, and what you need. Here's an example. We're behind on timeline. I recommend extending the deadline by 1 week. I need your go-ahead today. Structure helps your message land, guys. And get this, no one will want to connect the dots for you. Okay, guys, now we have a real-world example for you. From Bramley to Ready. So yeah, I was thinking like last quarter engagement dropped and maybe we could test short-form videos? Just a thought. I propose boosting social engagement by 50% using short-form videos. Here's the data and plan. Notice the difference? One is a guess, while the other is a decision. So guys, which one would you listen to? Please comment down below. Alright guys, so here's your cheat code to sound sharper instantly. Know your main point, use BLUF, cut the fluff, and give structure. One final tip, in your next email or meeting, start with your main point. One single sentence, no fluff, and see how people respond and thank me later. If this video helped, please don't forget to hit like, comment below, and share with your friends. And of course, please subscribe because we drop weekly videos about communication, AI, and presentations. Now get out there and communicate just like a CEO. You got this.